Okay, and finally, we come to actually dividing decimals in some kind of a context, places where we need to do that kind of division. So we have a problem. The surface area of a rectangular piece of construction paper is 140 and 25/100 square inches. If the paper's length is 17 inches, what is the width? So of course, first I would want to draw that. I know that area inside is that. I know its length is 17 inches. There's my question. I know that length times width equals area, so area divided by the length must give me the width. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and solve the problem 140 and 25/100 divided by 17. I will estimate first to get me started. I'm going to round this off to about 20. And then I'm going to think 2 into 14, that 14 is okay with me, that makes sense. I'm going to round that off to 140. And I'm going to divide by 10, and I get 14 divided by 2. And that is about 7. I know my answer needs to be about 7. Then I will actually, well, I'll leave that there. Then I will actually solve the problem. 140.25 and 17. I want to make sure that I put my decimals straight up right away. Very first thing. And then I'm going to see how many 17s go into 1. None. How many go into 14? None. Too small. And how many go into 140? Probably about 7. Let's try that over here to check. That's 119. You know what? I think I've got room for another one. I'm going to try 17 times 8. But I'm not going to erase this because I might need it later. Yep, that's closer. Remember that the estimate just gives us a starting point. We've always got to check and see if it's accurate. 8 17s go into 140, and that would be 136. I can subtract. Is 4 less than 17? Yes, it is. Now I think how many 17s are in 42? And again, I'd round this off in my head. 20 into 42 would go 2 times. So I'm guessing that's going to be 2 as well. 17 times 2 is 34. Yes, that's pretty close. 34, subtracting, that would be 8. Is 8 less than 17? Yes. Then I can bring down my 5. How many 17s go into 85? I don't know. So I'm going to round this off again to 20 and think how many 20s go into 85? 20, 40, 60, 80. 4 of them do. Let's try 17 times 4. That's 68. I wonder if one more goes in. 17 times 5. Oh, look at that. That's exactly 85. I have nothing left. And so then I would answer my problem. What is the width? It is 8 25/100 inches. We have to label our